It's like the IAF's got its own, like, superhero team in the making.
Yeah, it's quite a lineup.
Okay, so walk me through this superhero team.
Sure. First up, you've got the Tejas Mark-2. This is the one they're calling the future backbone of the IAF. It's got stealth features, advanced avionics, it's capable of fighting beyond visual range, and here's the kicker, it's a lot more cost-effective than importing those fancy jets from abroad.
Okay, so homegrown and budget-friendly. I like it.
Yeah, it's a good combination. And then you've got the big gun, the AMCA, or Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft. This is India's answer to China's J-20 and J-35. We're talking a full-on fifth-generation stealth fighter,